Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change page orientation in Word just one page. So let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change page orientation in Word just one page. Zoom out the document and we can see here 3 pages. We go to the second page and go to layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu, choose continuous, then we break the section, then we go back the layout menu, click orientation option, then choose landscape, and we can see we change the page orientation in this document just one page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.